Hey guys, how you all are? I hope you all are really good and taking ample care of yourself along with your family members. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna discuss a very important topic that you should do, or in fact you must do when you buy a home here in Canada or elsewhere. It's not just about this. So guys, when you go to buy a house, for most of us it's gonna be one of the biggest purchase of our life, maybe once in our life, right? So if you just like accept what your naked eye observation tells you, you may be towards the wrong end. Why? Because it is like buying a used car without even popping the hood and just looking at the paint and describing, yeah, it's good, fine. So from outside a house looks really nice, but what you are not aware what's hidden inside behind those dry walls and other things, right? So when it comes to home inspection, it doesn't cost much. 7 years back when I did, I paid $300, and there are professional and certified home inspection agencies. Those who are not related to you or your realtor or your any party is involved in the purchase. They are independent bodies. Their job is just to inspect the home and give you the detailed report. So why you can easily miss some issues, and that they can catch. For example, if you go for structural issues, minor hairline cracks in foundation or sagging roof joists, you may miss, but they can. Safety hazards. If there's any faulty wiring like outdated knob and tube, mold or radon gas, that you may not catch, but these guys may. Okay. If HVAC, water heater or any other heavy equipments are on their last stage or not. Again, there are various home inspection packages, so regardless of what it costs, always go for something comprehensive that covers almost everything. Okay. So again, based on the inspection report, you get a power to negotiate also, because if an inspection reveals thousands worth of necessary repairs, you have some negotiating power. You can ask the seller to fix the issues. You can ask for price negotiation, and even you can even walk away if your contract allows that. Okay, if your contract allows that. So, but in any case, it's gonna be better. And moreover, this also gives you a way to inspect nearby or you can say long-term future cost. Okay, so that you can set aside some money if required. And again, it's gonna give you peace of mind knowing that the home you are gonna move in has been professionally inspected. Okay. Generally, what an inspector checks the exterior, roof, gutters, grading, siding, foundation. Inside, they check windows, doors, floors and visible insulation. They check major systems like plumbing, leaks, pressure, electrical, HVAC. They check appliances too. Okay. And I would highly recommend, whenever an inspection is going on, always be on the spot and witness it on your own. Okay, that's how you can do better with that. So this is what I wanted to recommend, guys. Let me know what you feel about it, and thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.